I got this article from TEMU, and I really do love it. So I said, let me share with you this beautiful review of this product that I got from TEMU. I didn't believe my eyes when it came. Guys, it's a fruit stand. You know, the fruit stand saves you space in your kitchen. It has three places where you can put your fruits. Let me show you the product. If you have been looking for it, know that you have found a solution. And if you want to buy your own, just click the link below this video and purchase it from this my link. Click this link here, click this link and buy your own. It's so nice. The quality is top notch. Let me show you this product. Let's go. So guys, this is the carton in which this product came in. It came in this carton. So it was, this is it, guys. How do you see it? It has three places where you can put it. 1, 2, 3. This is the biggest. Then this one and this, they have the same size. I just want you to see very closely. See, I saw it. I didn't believe that it would be this good. Guys, it is perfect. As in perfect. It's so strong. See, it was already mounted. It's not like this one you need to come and mount again. Everything is already set. It's so nice. I love it. I got it from TEMU. So if you want your own, as I said before, just click the link below this video and purchase your own and place your order. It will take a little long, but you will have it. You will definitely have it, because mine took, I placed this order, I was 2 weeks ago. It was supposed to be a month, because they told me that the thing will arrive by the 13th of March. But this is me. Today is the 22nd of February. So it came like 3 weeks. Like today is 22nd. 6 plus 13, that's 19. That's 2 weeks plus 19 days earlier that it came, because they say you come through ship. But it came a little bit, not even a little bit, in short, so much earlier than I expected. So, and I'm satisfied. I like it. TEMU, you are the best, you guys. If you know you have seen anything in TEMU, please try it too. As I'm giving you this review like that, buy, use my link. Because the best thing that can happen to you if you want to buy a product, right? If somebody has used it, then the person is confirming is the best. I'm not like saying, because I'm not doing an advertisement. No, this is not an advertisement. This is me encouraging my fellow people to go and buy something that is quality and cheap. Yeah, it's not expensive. I got it for 20 euros. So it's really affordable. It's really good. It's really good. I like it, guys. I like it. I love it. I really do love it. Let me show you how I'm going to place my fruits in this fruit stand. Just stay tuned. So as you can see, these are my fruits. You know, I didn't have enough space again to put all these fruits, but now I have enough space to put all this, my apples. See, it's my apple. So apples will come in here. The apple we just got from the shop. The apples will come in here. It's so nice. I really like the comfort of it. You understand? So my apples will sit there. Then I can decide to put my bananas here. You understand? I can decide to put my, then this is my mango. I put it, there is this space here. You see? There's this space. And there is this space. Then my oranges come here under. So this is me creating space on my, this is kiwi. So this kiwi, I'll just put it here. This mandarin will go in the same place where the oranges are. This is my oranges. So just place them here. So my fruits, I really do love it. I love it. I love it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I have to do my fruit juice. My orange. You see? The oranges we really bought much. It was really, so you see, in just this small, your saving space, see the space I've saved for myself. Just look at it, guys. Isn't this amazing? Guys, look at it. Is this not amazing? Oh my god, I love it. This is amazing, right? This is the format tray where I used to put it. Then look at how I'm saving space. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I saw it on the internet. I mean on TEMU, their platform. I didn't believe it would be this good. See my fruits. You see the quantity of fruits that this thing can take. It's my apple, banana, kiwi, and my mango. I don't need to cry or please, you know. I really do love it. I love it, guys. Please rush and place your order before you want to go and they say it's no more longer available. You have different colors. If you don't like gold color, you can go for black. Okay, I saw black and gold, but I love this gold. It has this beauty. You understand? See, it's so beautiful. I really like it. It makes your kitchen beautiful. See, it makes this environment so beautiful. I like it. It's so beautiful.